In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Jira Cloud version. Whether you're a seasoned Jira user or a newcomer trying to navigate its extensive features, understanding how to find your Jira Cloud version is crucial for ensuring compatibility with other tools and receiving support. So let's dive in and make sure you're up to date with the latest version of Jira Cloud. To start, we need to head over to your Jira workspace. If you haven't already, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Jira website. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Your Work page. This page is essentially your one-stop shop for all your most frequently used projects, issues, and filters. It's where you start your day, and quite frankly, it's good to have a grasp on how to navigate from here. Once you're on the Your Work page, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here you will see the settings icon, which looks like a small gear. Clicking this icon will open up a menu with a variety of options. This is your gateway to the behind the scenes workings of Jira, where you can customize, tweak, and control your experience. Among the various options you see, look out for the Apps section. Clicking on Apps navigates you to a new page. This section serves as the hub for all the extra features you can integrate with Jira. It's similar to adding extensions to your browser. These apps enhance the functionality of Jira in various ways. Now on the apps page, you want to find the Manage Apps link. Clicking this will direct you to the section where you can oversee all the apps currently installed in your Jira instance, both those you've chosen to add and those provided as part of the system. This step is crucial because it's where we drill down deeper into the system details. Within the Manage Apps section, there are two tabs of interest to us today: User Installed and System. First, start by clicking on User Installed. This tab shows you a list of all the apps that you or your organization have actively chosen to incorporate into your Jira environment. It's useful to familiarize yourself with this list, as it can provide insights into the additional capabilities your Jira setup has via these user installed enhancements. After exploring the User Installed tab, move over to the System tab. Clicking this tab reveals the apps and integrations that are critical to the core functioning of Jira Cloud itself. Understanding what's here is especially important for administrators and power users, as issues with core system apps could potentially affect Jira's overall performance or functionality. The final step in this process is to find and click on Atlassian Home for Jira Cloud. This is the step where the magic happens, so to speak. Here, you'll be provided with the information on your current Jira Cloud version. It's helpful to note down this version number, as there are times you may need to reference this for support purposes or while integrating with other software. And that's it. You've successfully navigated the path to discover your Jira Cloud version. This might seem like a labyrinth of clicks, but once you know where to go, it becomes an easy routine whenever you need to check or troubleshoot your Jira setup. Understanding these steps not only empowers you as a user, but also equips you to handle issues more proactively. In wrapping up, knowing your Jira Cloud version is more than just having a number. It's about maintaining compatibility and ensuring that you're leveraging the latest features and security updates Atlassian has to offer. Whether it's for updating apps, receiving support, or integrating new tools, this is vital knowledge for any Jira user. With practice, each step will become second nature, ensuring you can always stay on top of your Jira environment. Thank you for following along in this video. I hope you found this guide helpful and feel more confident in managing your Jira Cloud experience. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful tutorials and tips to enhance your productivity with Jira. See you next time.